So guys, it has become a tradition that whenever Apple changes the design of its iPhones or does something new, Android smartphones always copy the iPhone. Whether it is the notch display, removing the headphone jack, or even removing charger from the inbox content, Android smartphones shamelessly copy the iPhone. This year, with the launch of the iPhone 14 series, Apple introduced the dynamic island feature on the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. As we know, Android manufacturers will copy the dynamic island on their phones. The Xiaomi Civi 2 will have the honor of being the first smartphone to copy Apple's central pill as seen on the Pro models of the iPhone 14 series. The pill houses two 32-megapixel selfie cameras. The primary sensor will feature ALD anti-glare coating, f2.0 aperture and autofocus support. The second camera will be equipped with the ultra-wide-angle lens. Interestingly, there will be LED lights on either side of the earpiece. So clearly the Civi 2 is focusing more on the selfie cameras, and Xiaomi will introduce the smartphone as a selfie-centric. The device will measure 7.23mm in thickness and it will weigh 171.8 grams. Other features include a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. A few days ago, Xiaomi shared a teaser image that reveals the rear design of the phone. The device will have a triple camera setup at the back. The main camera will be a 50-megapixel along with the ultra-wide-angle lens, and the third lens will likely be a 2-megapixel macro shooter. The display will be a 6.5-inch OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. A 4500 mAh battery will keep the lights on with 67-watt fast charging. The device will launch on September 27 in China, which is less than a week away from now. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.